Okay, class 11. Now we'll start the chapter. This chapter, trigonometric ratios of positive acute angles. Exercise 2, 2 marks questions. We'll start at first. Prove the following identities. Number 1, sine A into cos A is equal to tan A plus cot A is equal to 1. This we have to prove. Okay. So what we will do, we'll start from the left hand side. As left hand side already written, okay, let me write first. So sin A cos A into tan A plus cot A. This is our left hand side. So what we will do, sin A into cos A, this will remain same, and tan A and cot A, we will just change this in terms of sin and cos. Then what we will do, sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Okay. Then what we will do, just do this LCM part here, and this part will remain same. So sin A into cos A, and in the bracket what we will write, sin A into cos A, and this part will be sin square A plus cos square A. Got it? Now sin A will be cancelled, cos A again will be cancelled, and we know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Put the value, which gives us right hand side. So this is proved. I think you have understood. Okay, let me rub the part of it. Next is sum number 1, part 2. Question number 2. Sin alpha into cos alpha, and in the bracket tan alpha minus cot alpha, which is equal to 2 sin square alpha minus 1, which is equal to 2 sin square alpha minus 1. Same as before, we will start from the left hand side. Okay, as it is already written, so I am not going to write the expression again. Let me start this up. Sin alpha into cos alpha will not change, it will remain same, and tan alpha and cot alpha, we will just express this in terms of sin and cos. Then what we will write, sin alpha by cos alpha minus cos alpha by sin alpha. Okay. Now again same as before, it will remain same, and this side sin alpha cos alpha, this side means the terms in the bracket. Cos alpha, sin alpha is the LCM, and it will be sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. Okay. Now sin alpha, cos alpha, numerator, denominator will be cancelled. Then what we will get, sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. Okay. Since we have to prove 2 sin square alpha minus 1, so no need to change sin square alpha this part. We have to just change cos square alpha in terms of sin. As sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1, therefore cos square alpha will be 1 minus sin square alpha. Just put the value, sin square alpha minus 1 minus sin square alpha. Okay. Now sin square alpha minus 1 minus plus sin square alpha, which gives us 2 sin square alpha minus 1, which is equal to right hand side. That is also proved. Understood everything? Okay. Next question number 3. Let me write with the red pen. Now part 3. What's the question? Square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. This is the question. Okay. Again we will start from the left hand side. Left hand side. What we will do? We will rationalize. Square root of 1 plus sine theta here, and denominator is 1 minus sine theta. Let us multiply denominator with its conjugate term. Okay, and then 1 minus sine theta here, let us multiply by its conjugate term, so it is 1 plus sine theta. Similarly, we have to multiply 1 plus sine theta to the numerator part also. So ultimately we will get 1 plus sine theta whole square. Then what we will get? The denominator 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta, which gives us 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta, and here it is coming 1 plus sine theta whole square. Okay, square root of 1 plus sine theta whole square means it's only 1 plus sine theta, which divides 1 minus sine square theta means cos square theta under root cos square theta. It gives us only cos theta. So it's coming 1 by cos theta plus sine theta by cos theta. That means sec theta plus tan theta, which is equal to right hand side. That is also proved. Okay. Next. Next sum number. It was 3, no? Next sum number 5. What's the question? Sine to the power 4 alpha minus cos to the power 4 alpha plus 1 is equal to 2 sine square alpha. This is the question. Let's start again from the left hand side. Okay. So left hand side part, this is sine to the power 4 alpha. Let us write it as sine square alpha whole square minus cos square alpha whole square plus 1. When you will do the sum in your copy, or at first you will just copy this left hand side part, then you will start the solution part. Okay. Here only because of the space, not sufficient space is not there. That's why I have started from the solution. Okay. Now sine square, this sine square alpha whole square minus cos square alpha whole square. So if I take this as A and this as B, so A square minus B square. What's the formula? That also we know. Sine square alpha whole square means A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So it gives us sine square alpha plus cos square alpha into sine square alpha minus cos square alpha plus 1 will be there. Okay, sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, it is only 1. So 1 into sine square alpha minus cos square alpha plus 1. Okay. Now sine square alpha, again we have to prove only sine square alpha. So sine square alpha no need to change, only will change cos square part. So what we will write? Sine square alpha minus cos square alpha means 1 plus sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So 1, the cos square alpha will be 1 minus sine square alpha. 1 minus sine square alpha plus 1 is there. So sine square alpha minus 1 minus minus plus sine square alpha plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, which gives us only 2 sine square alpha, which is equal to right hand side. It is also proved. Next, sum number 6. Sum number 6, what's the question? Cos phi by 1 plus sin phi plus 1 plus sin phi by cos phi is equal to 2 sec phi. Okay, again we'll start from the left hand side. Okay, just do the LCM. I'm not going to write again the left hand side part, only I'm just doing the solution. Cos phi into 1 plus sin phi. Okay, LCM. Then what we will get here? We'll get cos square phi plus 1 plus sin phi whole square. Okay. Now 1 plus sin phi whole square means just we will expand this in terms of a plus b whole square. Then what we will get? Cos square phi plus 1 plus 2 sin phi plus sin square phi. Okay, and the denominator already cos phi into 1 plus sin phi is there. Cos square phi plus sin square phi, it gives us again 1 and this one. So these two will give us 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 sin phi by cos phi into 1 plus sin phi. Okay, now take common 2 from the numerator, then what we will get? 1 plus sin phi by cos phi into 1 plus sin phi. Okay, now cancel these two parts. Then what we will get? 2 by cos phi, that gives us only 2 sec phi, because cos phi and sec phi, these two are reciprocals. Is equal to right hand side. That is also proved. Okay, coming with the next video.